Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to log out from your account on Diablo Immortal. So there's actually a few ways you can do it, and the first one is in the start screen. When you start playing and you're already logged in, you'll need to click on it, and here you can log out. Here's this icon, simply press, then go for logout. Next option is when we actually open our game and we'll be in the world. Enter our world. Now we'll need to press on this menu button, go for the settings with a gear icon on it, then account, and here you can log out. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.